Everybody loves a good rap. No, not that one. This one. We're talking about the position of rest when using a kettlebell. I recently saw this video about proper rack position in which he talks about having your elbow away from your body. Now I find that there's a flaw in this in that if I'm looking to do lots of squats or lots of presses, in this position is where I bring the bell back down to, I'm going to get absolutely exhausted in my neck and shoulder, and that is going to be the limiting factor of my exercises. For a proper rack, we want a mostly vertical forearm. We want the kettlebell to be resting on our forearm and our upper arm, and we want our upper arm on our rib cage. And from this position, we can carry, squat, or press a tremendous amount of weight. Although I keep referring to the racked position as a position of rest, I am actively engaging my lats and my trunk so I stay upright. Now the one thing that this other practitioner did talk about is how this position can sometimes lead to people leaning over. This is simply fixed by asking your client or yourself to stand up straight and engage your trunk and pull your lat down versus letting the bell kind of sink you down. So I can move my hand around. The weight fits perfectly between my upper arm and my forearm, and this is a proper rack position. And if you found this video helpful, please watch the next one because it's what YouTube thinks you'll enjoy the most.